Well, it is National Nurses Week, a time to recognize nurses and all they do to keep us healthy in times of need.
Yes, and there continues to be a shortage of nurses across the healthcare system, especially after the pandemic. WCNC Charlotte's Lexi Wilson shares the story of a nurse who is optimistic, though, for this next generation.
Ina Cortez, a nurse here at Novant Health, wants to change the narrative. She says, yes, being a nurse is hard, but it's also fulfilling too.
I think the support among nurses is just amazing.
When you think of nurses, what comes to mind? Maybe it's a nurse who cared for you, nurses working through the pandemic, or even the nursing shortage.
Okay.
But for Ina Cortez, being a nurse is part of her life purpose.
It's a sense of, going home and realizing that I helped somebody.
Cortez is the assistant nurse manager in the ICU at Novant Health Presbyterian Medical Center. This is her second career, and she's coming up on 5 years in the industry. She acknowledges the challenges the career can bring, including the toll on mental health.
It's difficult to know where to draw the line and have to not be so emotionally hurt by it, but you still do.
But Cortez says it can be a life-changing career if you feel called to care for others. And despite stress and hardships, Cortez says don't let fear keep you from pursuing a career in nursing, because there's good here too.
We've actually had some patients from COVID that we took care of, and they came back and visit us, and that's the most rewarding thing for us.
And National Nurses Week goes until this Friday, so if you do have a nurse in your life, you can still show that appreciation. Reporting in Elizabeth for WCNC Charlotte, I'm Lexi Wilson.